guys, welcome back to Apex Motorhome. Today, I'm traveling in a luxury motorhome. Don't forget to like, subscribe to Apex Motorhome, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.
Stop scrolling right now, because this is not just a motorhome, this is a $15 million triple-floor rolling palace in matte black with stunning gold accents, and it looks absolutely unreal. Welcome back to Apex Motorhome, where luxury reaches a whole new level. From the exterior, the matte black body delivers a bold, stealth-like presence, while the gold accents highlight every premium detail with precision. The custom wheels, sharp LED lighting, and sculpted body lines make this motorhome look powerful, futuristic, and elite from every angle. Now, before stepping into the main living space, the drive cab instantly grabs attention. This is not your typical driver area. It feels like a high-end cockpit. Premium leather seating, digital displays, gold-accented controls, and a panoramic windshield create a commanding view of the road. Everything is connected through a smart technology-controlled system, allowing the driver to manage navigation, cameras, lighting, climate, and security with ease. Step inside the first floor, and luxury surrounds you instantly. The marble-style flooring with gold inlays reflects soft ambient lighting beautifully. On one side, a spacious lounge features black leather seating with gold stitching, paired with a hidden smart TV and immersive sound system. The kitchen area is equally impressive, featuring sleek black countertops with gold veins, high-end appliances, a coffee station, and elegant cabinetry. This first-floor kitchen is designed for daily convenience, offering everything needed for full-scale cooking while maintaining that premium matte black and gold accents aesthetic. Now here's something special. The first floor also includes a private bedroom. This bedroom is designed for comfort and style, featuring a premium queen-sized bed with soft, high-quality fabrics and a modern padded headboard with subtle gold detailing. Ambient lighting wraps around the room, creating a calm and relaxing atmosphere. Built-in storage and smart controls allow you to adjust lighting, temperature, and privacy with just a touch. It's perfect for guests or even a quick rest during long journeys, and it still carries the same matte black and gold accents theme flawlessly. The first-floor bathroom is compact yet extremely luxurious. It features gold fixtures, a designer sink, smart mirror, and touch-controlled lighting and ventilation, making even the smallest space feel premium. Moving up the illuminated staircase with glowing steps and gold railings, we reach the second floor. This level feels like a private executive suite. The luxury office is truly next level. A man in a sharp suit coat is seated at a premium desk, fully focused on work, surrounded by integrated screens and modern finishes. It feels like a corporate office on wheels, designed for productivity and power. Alongside the office, the second floor also features a stylish secondary kitchen area. This kitchen is more refined and compact, built for quick meals and convenience, with premium appliances, sleek finishes, and signature gold accents that match the overall design language perfectly. Adjacent to the office is the main bedroom suite. A king-sized bed, premium fabrics, gold panel detailing, and soft lighting create a peaceful and elegant environment. Large panoramic windows offer stunning mountain views, adding to the sense of exclusivity. The second-floor bathroom elevates the experience further with a glass shower, luxury vanity, gold fixtures, and smart temperature and lighting controls. Now we move to the third floor, the ultimate highlight. This space acts as a private sky lounge with partial glass coverage, allowing natural light to flood in. Plush seating, a stylish minibar with gold accents, and open views make it perfect for relaxing or entertaining. And yes, even on this level, there's a beautifully designed kitchen and bar setup. The third-floor kitchen focuses on entertainment, featuring a sleek minibar, premium finishes, integrated storage, and elegant gold accents. It's perfect for hosting, serving drinks, and enjoying luxury moments at the top level. But it doesn't stop there. This level also features a luxury gym area equipped with high-end machines, mirrored walls, and a premium finish. Right next to it, a stunning pool adds a whole new level of indulgence. Imagine working out and then stepping into the water while surrounded by mountain views. It's next-level living. The third-floor bathroom matches the same elite standard, featuring smart systems, elegant lighting, gold fixtures, and a design that blends perfectly with the gym and lounge. And now, mid-journey, picture this separate cinematic moment. This matte black and gold motorhome parked along a mountainside road during sunset. The sky glows in deep orange and gold tones, reflecting beautifully off the matte black body while the gold accents shimmer in the fading light. Just beside it, a couple sits peacefully, enjoying tea and taking in the breathtaking view. It's calm, it's luxurious, and it perfectly captures the lifestyle this motorhome offers. And what truly ties everything together is the advanced smart technology-controlled system. From lighting to climate, security to entertainment, everything is fully automated and easily controlled, making this motorhome as intelligent as it is luxurious. So tell me, have you ever seen anything like this before? If this $15 million matte black motorhome with gold accents impressed you, don't wait. Subscribe to Apex Motorhome right now, hit like, and drop a comment telling me your favorite floor. Because this is not just a motorhome. This is the future of luxury on wheels.